done with the warm-up. Now we head straight to block 1. Here you're going to work on strength and power. First exercise on block 1 is single leg hinge and reach. So you're trying to work on your single leg. You're trying to work on single leg muscle. So here, from here, this is advanced. I'll show you modified. So you're balancing on one leg, core is nice and tight. Now you're going to stick your butt out, then try and make your upper body parallel to the floor. And you're going to reach down, keep this other leg as straight as you can, then back up. So core is nice and tight. Inhale, reach down, drive yourself up. Okay? So when you're driving yourself up, you're using your quads, glutes, and hamstrings too. Okay? So I'll show you from the side. So you see how this leg is working. So from here, core is nice and tight. Reach down. Back is as tight as you can be, as straight as you can be. Then using all the power you have on these legs, glutes, you're going to bring yourself up. Glutes is very tight. Quads, everything is engaged on my standing legs. So again, it's down, reach, single leg hinge with reach. Some of you might find that hard, so you can always use a wall. Find somewhere where you have a wall, and just hold the wall, and from here, bend the knee, or core tight, bend the knee, then reach as low as you can, then back up. So the wall helps you with the balance. Because some of you balance might be a bit hard. So reach down. So single leg hinge with reach, 8 reps each side. 8 reps right, 8 reps left.